Welcome, here we've got Honor 8 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to slide simply to the right to get access to advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on capture settings, and when we slide a little bit down we can find here the touch and hold shutter button option. Let's pick it to decide to use this as burst shot or focus. So of course now we can stay on burst shot, and when we go back to the camera, when we tap on the shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, as you can see, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.